Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Danielle Niles. Another midwinter feel today with temperatures similar to yesterday, not getting out of the 20s. There'll be building clouds and the wind gusts occasionally over 20 miles per hour will mean wind chill values will stay in the 8 to 18 degree range even at the warmest time of the day. There'll be a quick light snow shower or flurry possible late in the day. And then tomorrow, not as cold. Still below average, but upper 30s will do it. There'll be some high, thin cirrus clouds that filter the sunshine a bit. A little wave of low pressure comes close to us tomorrow late evening and night, but it does mainly miss us to the south. We'll watch the track closely. If it nudges a little farther north, we'll have to keep the south coast on guard. Otherwise, Saturday, quiet. Sunday, next round of precipitation comes in. It'll be in the form of wintry mix, so a burst of snow changing over to some sleet briefly and then rain. From south to north, this will be a mainly all-snow event for far northern New England. Pulls out of here on Sunday night. For most of us here, coating to an inch or two max in terms of snowfall, but we'll keep you posted on that. Highest totals north and west of Boston, gets washed away. Sun's back, upper 40s on Monday. A little cooler on Tuesday, but bright sunshine staying quiet through the middle of the week. And we could be talking about some 50s, a little pattern shift as we head into the end of next week. See you again tomorrow morning.